こんにちは。セールスマーカー CTO のチンです。本日は QA エンジニアのバービーさんをお招きしまして、彼女の仕事に関していろいろ深掘りできればなというふうに思っております。開発チームでは日々英語でコミュニケーションをとっているので、本日のインタビューも英語でさせていただければと思います。Alright, Barbie さん。
Hi.
Hi. First of all, could you give me a quick self-introduction?
Okay. So I'm Barbie Enokido and I'm from the Philippines and I'm a QA engineer in Sales Marker.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So could you please tell me your job in the current?
Okay, in Sales Marker, I am mainly responsible for the product quality and reliability of our service, and I test them before they reach our customer or our users. And I also create and execute test cases to identify software issues. Also, I create and maintain automation tests so that we could reduce the repetitive tasks of the tests that we frequently do. And I work closely with our software engineers to communicate feature specifications, feature improvements, and some issues if we have.
Thank you. A lot of clients have told us that the quality of the software and the platform is really good. It's due to you, right? Thank you always.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. So could you also tell me about your previous job? What did you do before you joined us?
Okay, my previous job. After I graduated college in the Philippines, I worked as a project leader in a gaming industry.
Okay.
And my main responsibility way back is to write specifications, and I do the project schedule management. And one project takes sometimes 3 to 5 months. And during that time, sometimes I also have multiple projects at the same time. I work with software engineers and QA as well at that time to ensure the product quality or if our project meets the requirements. And after that, I moved to Japan 5 years ago. I took the Japanese language school for 2 years. And then after I graduated, I found a job in Tokyo as a QA engineer. And that started my QA career. I worked in a startup company for SNS application. And I do manual testing for mobile and also web. And I was a junior QA at that time, but I also coach new QA engineers, and I lead a small team during that time. And I feel like I can do more and I want to challenge more. So I'm thinking I want to change to a big company specialized in test engineering. They outsourced QA to big companies. I was a member in a Rakuten Mobile. And while I'm working in Rakuten, I received an email from Wantedly introducing Sales Marker.
Okay.
I accept the opportunity and I have a casual interview with you.
Okay, with me?
Yes. And it started from there. Yeah.
Thank you. So I believe that you have a lot of choices, but why you decided to join us?
Yes. During the casual interview, I think the main reason was my impression about the product. So the product was really amazing with all the data that you could acquire and how you use those data to optimize, or how you use AI to optimize those data and create a service for our customers. And I don't have experience in B2B. My previous experience are all B2C. So it's quite challenging, I think. But when I heard that you don't have that official QA member, I just feel like, I think I have much task to do in this company.
Yes.
I think I want to challenge myself. So I decided to join the company. And during the process of from the casual interview to the interview itself, the onboarding, everyone was so approachable, comfortable to talk to. And I feel like, I think I belong in this company.
Thank you. Right. Thank you. Just as you said, before you join us, every QA is done by us and by the engineers, and we cannot build the QA scenario, and we don't have enough time for QA. So after you join us, the quality of the product improved really, really well.
I'm so glad to hear that.
Thank you. Really, thank you for every day's work.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Everyone was so helpful as well. Yeah, they could make my task light even if sometimes it's complicated, but communicating to other engineers makes everything good.
So during your work in the current, what is the most challenging thing for you?
I think because our product is, we are launching our product in the right market conditions, so we want to release as fast as we can, but with a good quality. So I think sometimes balancing the speed and quality is quite challenging. I think that's the challenging part. But after we release or launch our new features, it's a fulfilling feeling that I have, especially when we receive comments from our customers that they could use this feature and they could help their company to have a higher success rate. Yeah, that's a fulfillment I could feel. Yes.
Thank you. Right. The speed and the quality is really a big trade-off between us, and we are fighting for this every day.
Every day.
Right.
Every day, yes.
All right, Barbie-san, thank you. And I believe that you have experience from Philippines to Japan and also from startup to a really big company. So do you think anything is really unique for us, our company, or anything is really different from others?
Okay, so from my previous company, I worked in a big company. I feel like because the feature is already there, we just do like more on improvements. But I feel like I wanted to join in like how do we create it before we releasing it. So I think that the main or the unique point in Sales Marker is everyone is proactive, and if they want something or they think of something that they want to improve, is everyone can raise their hand and introduce some process to help the development. So also since most of the members of Sales Marker are also from well-known companies, they are all experienced, so everyone, they are all experienced and everyone have the same goal. So everyone can work together to achieve those goals for Sales Marker.
Thank you. All right. So as a QA, so how would you like to communicate with the engineer in the current?
I do both remotely and in the office. And we communicate frequently on Slack. So once you just mention them, they will really reply immediately to fix some issues remotely and in personal. And we start discussing in Google Meet or by using Huddle. And in the office, we also like talk directly and we communicate close.
Although we have a different nationalities and we come from different places, but I believe that you guys have a really good relationship between each other, right?
Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's true. Well, we have a common language, it is English. Yeah, everyone is humorous, I think. So it's easy to talk to everyone.
Thank you. Right. So I believe that the second QA will join us soon. And I believe that our product is also expanding and we need more and more QA to guarantee our product quality, right? So do you have anything you want to say to our potential candidates?
Sales Marker is creating more features and to create more products, so we need more QA to build a team. If you want to work with a fast-paced environment with young professionals and a company that is growing fast, and you want to deliver excellent product to Japan, we are open for casual interview. Okay, we are welcome for casual interview, so you can contact us in our website, and we are waiting for you and looking forward to talk with you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Waiting for talk to you. Bye-bye.
Bye.